I was just like, and then one girl, she did pop because he said that. She was like, you know, you don't have to say stuff like that.
Yeah, like
He could have
these
just
men, they don't even be looking all that in a bag of chips.
Okay. Like what? He said her face was too. I seen that this morning, and I was like, he could have just said I'm not attracted and just kept it moving.
Okay, like one lady's not going home. These guys don't even be having this shit out for themselves.
No, they don't. That's why I was like, I could never put myself up in a lineup for somebody to tell me, and they don't even know nothing about me. Have you ever felt like it's time for a fresh start, and not just with your looks, but with the energy around you? That's exactly where I'm at right now, girlies. And this year, I'm diving deeper into my faith, spirituality, and my purpose. And it's all about making space for the right people and the right energy in my life. And today, that starts with trying out a new hairstylist here in Tampa, Florida. Now, I've been telling you guys all about my hairstylist journey, and I'm so excited that I decided to step out on faith and try someone new. I've been with my previous stylist for a while now, but as I step into this new chapter, I'm suddenly realizing how it is important to surround myself with people who align with my growth. So I thought, why not bring you guys along with me as I make this huge change and this huge shift, and share a little bit about how my journey of spiritual growth is influencing the decisions that I'm making this year. And that starts off with a new hairdo. I think this is something a lot of us can relate to. You go through different seasons in your life where you feel like you're outgrowing certain situations and certain people, and that's totally okay. It's not about being disloyal, it's just that you're evolving and you're growing, and it's time to bring in fresh new energy. And right now, that's exactly what I'm looking for. I want to make sure everyone and everything in my life, including who is doing my services, is supporting my growth and helping me stay aligned with my purpose. It's funny that I said I want to be around people who is aligning with my purpose. I met this particular hairstylist at a networking event, Camp Content, which I can put here up in the corner of the video, and she was actually checking all of us girlies in, and she's a hairstylist, content creator, and social media influencer herself, and she even stated that she needs more clients who are content creators. So I feel like it was the perfect fit for us and for me to step out on faith and to try her. And I feel like it was a really good fit. The vibe was really good. She even was like, girl, where's your camera? Where's your phone? Pull it out. Like, oh my God. And as you guys can see, she has her camera set out as well. It feels really, really good to know that I can be myself around anyone that I come in contact with, and I can pull my camera out without anyone judging or getting frustrated with me or whatever the case may be. One thing I've been learning about myself is that my external world is often a reflection of what's happening inside of me. And when you start tuning into your intuition and your faith, you realize that making small shifts in your life, like choosing who to do your services and choosing that new friend group to hang out with and taking that new trip, that solo trip that you never thought you would do, can have a huge and big impact on your growth. It's about opening up to the right people and opportunities that will help you evolve to the next level. Now, I'm not going to lie, queens. If I'm being honest, I can say that change can be a little bit scary, especially for me. Like, I don't even know where this new path even came from. Like, I don't even know, like, what I just woke up one day and I was like, I'm not doing this anymore. Like, and it's not even just about a new hairstyle. Like, stepping into something new, especially when it's connected to your personal growth, can feel a little bit scary and intimidating. But I've learned that doing the same thing over and over and over again and expecting different results, that's actually considered insanity, right? So, I mean, you gotta step out on faith. If you want change, you have to change in order to expect change. So that is what I'm doing this year. Well, I just want to let you girlies know that if you're feeling a little afraid of change, know that is super normal. Growth can be very scary, but staying stuck in the same place will never help you move forward. And honestly, staying stuck in the same place can be just as scary because you're literally watching the years go by and you haven't done nothing different, you haven't done nothing new, and you're still in the same spot. So trust the process, trust your journey, and know that every step, no matter how uncomfortable you are, it is leading you to something better. Now that Diana is wrapping up my new hairdo, this is more than just a new look to me. It feels like the perfect reflection of this new chapter I'm stepping into. Every time I make change, whether big or small, it does help me move closer to the person I'm meant to become. So if you guys want to hear my final results, here is my honest opinion of my new hair.
But man, it was a
She did such a good job,
Hey,
guys.
I'm gonna call you, TT. Start heading now.
The lace is laid, okay? The wig ain't going nowhere. The part
You
is
can feel
crisp.
it. You can kind of feel the tightening.
I can feel it tightening.
Yeah.
Even when you was putting the glue on, I was like, oh, the glue is, this is it. I didn't try every glue known to mankind, and that glue was tight. Yes, and that's what I felt like. I felt like my face was being pulled when you was putting the glue on, and then it was drying quickly, like how you said it would. Yeah, you
I
did
should
a
have
good
did the
job.
full thing while you had your vlog out, but I forgot.
Okay. I'll be back so we can do it.
Alright.
Yeah, because this is cute.
Brother, can I tell you something? I don't got time.
It's salty.
Yeah, I thought you had the same camera.
No, oh Jesus. I gotta get my life together, y'all.
She a hairstylist,
But
y'all
no,
don't
mine
mind.
is the,
I'm finna bounce on one of these alleys right quick to take care
I got the Sony.
Oh, the Sony one? So your flip goes to the side?
Yeah, yours go up?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, mine goes to the side. Cause see, I was a Canon girl, but like my Canons kept just going bad.
Really?
So I was like, you know what? Let me switch it up, get a Sony, and see. Oh my
I
gosh.
heard those are just as good.
Mm-hmm.
All right, Empresses, now leave me your thoughts on what you think of my new stylist and how she did my hair, because baby, she gave me exactly what I'm used to having, okay? And now I would love to hear from you. Are you in a season where you're changing your circle or the people you spend time with? Or maybe you're making shifts to align more with your purpose and your growth? Let me know in the comments what you think about this new experience that I'm having. I'm so curious to hear your thoughts on it, and as always, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to The Dream, you guys, and hit that notification bell so you won't miss any of my future uploads. See you guys soon. Love you guys.